Hey ladies, it's Katie from Katie Goes Platinum, and I'm here today to do a product review and recommendation because a few months ago I sent out a survey to my readers on my blog, and that was the #1 thing they wanted more of. So that's what we're gonna do. So I figured I'd start with two products that are very popular in the hair care community, and that is silk pillowcases, as you see here, and silk nightcaps, otherwise known as sleeping caps, which I have one right here. And these products were sent to me by LilySilk in exchange for an honest review. LilySilk is a company with over 10 years of experience selling products made out of mulberry silk, which is the highest quality silk available for purchase. Their products are Architects certified, which means that they are non-toxic and eco-friendly, which is great because since I ditched the hair dye, I've also been trying to bring more natural products into my life. Their products arrive in these cute boxes with a LilySilk logo. And let me open the box so I can show you the inside. Inside the box is very beautiful tissue paper with the LilySilk logo in a beautiful gold color. Okay, here's the pillow. It comes in many different colors. I personally chose ivory to go with my coral bedspread. And you can get these in either the envelope style enclosure, which is what I have. I'll show you that. It's the standard pillowcase enclosure where you slip your pillow in. Or you can also get a zippered style. And I tend to sleep really hard, so I prefer a envelope enclosure because when I sleep, I mush my pillow into my face, and I didn't want to have anything not soft on my pillowcase. So there are many benefits to sleeping on a silk pillowcase. For me, one of the best reasons to sleep on a silk pillowcase is for your skin. I have very dry skin, and when I go to bed at night, I slather my face in moisturizers and serums. And apparently, which I did not know until recently, the cotton pillowcases absorb the moisturizer. So when you wake up in the morning, it's been leached from your skin and your skin is back to being super dry. Since silk doesn't pull moisture out of your skin, when you wake up in the morning, you will find your skin is just as soft and moisturized as it was when you first went to bed and you put the moisturizer on your face. If you're a hard sleeper like I am, you might find sometimes when you wake up in the morning after sleeping on a cotton pillowcase that you have creases on your face, which is not a look that I enjoy. But if you have a silk pillowcase, your skin will glide over the surface and you will not end up with any creases. That's because silk is frictionless. So that's another big benefit if you don't want to walk around with the pillow marks on your face, which I definitely don't. Since silk pillowcases are frictionless and they don't tug at your skin, people often find that they have less of a chance of developing fine lines and wrinkles after years of using a silk pillowcase. Obviously, I've been sleeping on cotton most of my life. I'm 53, so I thought maybe it was too late for me to see that benefit. However, my wrinkles definitely look less pronounced because my skin is hydrated when I wake up in the morning. And when your skin is plumper and hydrated, the wrinkles don't show as much. When I first heard about silk pillowcases, my first thought was it's going to be hot. And at 53, I'm menopausal. I wake up in the middle of the night, boiling hot, and I'm very uncomfortable. So I was really afraid that I would find the silk pillowcase too hot. But apparently silk is good for regulating body temperature. When I first go to bed at night, my pillow feels room temperature, not hot or cold. But when I wake up in the morning, I've noticed that my pillowcase is cold and my skin feels cool too, which is nice. I have not been waking up at night feeling hot. A lot of women find that their hair is improved by using a silk pillowcase. My hair is pretty straight, as you can see, but I do sometimes get a bedhead, which is not fun to wake up to in the morning, especially when you let your hair go gray and you want to feel good in the morning when you see yourself in the mirror. When you're first getting used to having gray hair, having your hair not be a tangled mess is a nice bonus to waking up with a silk pillowcase. You know, like I still get a little tiny bit of bedhead, but it's not like it was before. And my hair feels more moisturized in the morning because it's not pulling all the oils out of my hair. If you've just paid a lot of money to get a sleek blowout and your hair looks fabulous, and if you're like me, you only wash your hair a couple times a week, silk pillowcases can preserve your blowout because once again, your hair is gliding across the pillow and it's not tugging at your hair. So that's another bonus. People with curly hair often like silk pillowcases to preserve their curls. I have a son whose hair is huge and curly and long. It's out to here most of the time. And he was waking up with horrible tangles in the morning and bedhead, and his curls were matted. And while all of that hasn't gone away, it's definitely improved since he started using a silk pillowcase a few years ago. Now, some women like to use a nightcap when they go to bed. This is the nightcap that LilySilk makes. As you can see, it doesn't have a strong seam in the front, just this little stitching. In the back, it's ruched and it has some nice ribbons so that you can make it tighter on your head. Personally, I can't wear a nightcap when I go to bed. I was thinking about doing so because I tend to lose hair at my temples on the right side, and that's the side I sleep on. So I've heard that that can be good for it, but being menopausal, I can't take the feeling of anything on my head when I go to sleep. However, I wanted to test this out for you because there are many women who swear by nightcaps. The women who can benefit from using nightcaps are women who are going through chemo and their head gets cold at night after hair loss, or if they're losing their hair, the nightcap can collect the hair that's falling out. Women with braids often use nightcaps to keep their braids in place. Another group of people that likes to use a nightcap at night are women who wash and blow dry their hair at night just to keep their hair in place. And finally, women who use CPAP machines, they like to use silk nightcaps at night because it prevents hair loss caused by the mask tugging on their hair. Okay, so here's how you use the nightcap. It looks kind of like a 1920s cloche hat when you put it on. So this kind of reminds me of Diane Keaton in the 70s. Anyway, you put it over your forehead, tuck your hair in. Let's see if I can do this without messing up my blouse. There, super cute. Here's the back. It is comfortable. I didn't find it uncomfortable when I tried sleeping in it. My problem is I just get a little claustrophobic at night with anything on my head. But if this is a thing that you would like to try, I highly recommend it. I was wondering if using the nightcap, if it would slip off the pillow since they're both silk products, but it did not. And I didn't have to tie it too tight to keep it on at night. It stayed on. It's easy to take off, of course. This particular pillowcase and sleep cap that I got from the LilySilk are made out of 19 Momme silk. Momme is like thread count for silk, so 19 Momme silk is equivalent to 400 thread count. So personally, I can recommend these products to you with no reservations. The quality is high, the price is affordable, and I'm very impressed by the products. Just a reminder, I included a link to all of the products in this video down below in the description box, including a promo code for 12% off of everything on the LilySilk website. So please make sure to let me know in the comments below if you've used silk products before and how you've liked them. Have they worked for you for your hair? Have they worked for you for your skin? What have been your experiences? Let me know, and please make sure to subscribe to my videos and to hit the little bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video, because I'll be doing more of these product reviews in the future for sure. Okay? Thanks.